Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to fried rice with fish sauce and artificial crab sticks. Hope you like it. This fried rice is easy to make and can be prepared in short time. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: overnight rice, artificial crab stick, eggs, corn kernels. Artificial crab stick, remove plastic wrap and cut into small cubes. Crack eggs into bowl and set aside. Let's start with fried egg. Stir fry egg yolk. Add a few drops of soy sauce. Add rice while the eggs are not yet completely solidified. Press the rice and stir evenly. Corn kernels. Add artificial crab stick. Teaspoon fish sauce. Add a teaspoon pepper powder. Stir fry until fragrant. Smells so good. Plate fried rice. Delicious fish sauce crabstick egg fried rice is ready to be served. Yummy! Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. After eating too much meat and fish during the Chinese New Year, if you have guests at home, you can also make this easy fried rice. Just add a vegetable and soup to go with it. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. The ancients often used crabs to represent wealth, and crabs have become one of the important ornaments in traditional culture. People believe that crabs have two strong and powerful claws, and once they clamp something, they will not let go easily, which means guarding money and locking up in stable extra income. And crabs have 8 legs, and in ancient times they were also called 8-legged insects, which means 8 directions. The main function of the 8 legs is to grab, so people give crabs the beautiful wish of wealth coming from all directions or talents coming from all directions. Overnight rice has clear grains because the moisture on the surface of the rice grains has been blown dry. The grains are less watery and will not clump when fried, and the taste is better. If you want to fry rice on a whim, put less water in the rice, and then stir the cooked rice to loosen it, and then use a fan to cool it down, which can also achieve some effect. What are crab sticks made of? Crab sticks, also known as crab legs, simulated crab meat, and crab-flavored fish cakes, are made from various marine fish surimi or freshwater fish surimi as raw materials. After a series of processing, they are a kind of deep-processed marine food with high protein, low fat, reasonable nutritional structure, safety, and health. Crab sticks simulate the texture and flavor of the crab legs of Alaskan snow crabs. The meat is firm and tough, with a delicious seafood flavor that is slightly sweet and salty, and has a very simulated effect. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.